Good morning students. Now today we will do practice of initial sound M to Z. M to J. M. M says ma mango, ma monkey, ma man, ma moon, ma mouse, ma mask and ma mother. N says na nest, na nib, na net, na necklace, na nut, na nurse and na nose. Now O says O orange, O octopus, O owl, O onion, O oven, O olives, O ostrich. Now P says parrot, pig, pan, parachute, plant, panda, penguin. Q says queen, quiet, quilt, quarter, question mark, quill and quail. R says rat, rabbit, rose, ring, robot, rhinoceros, rainbow. S says sun, strawberry, sheep, snake, scissors, shark, sheep. T says tiger, tomato, teddy, tree, tortoise, tent and table. V says van, vase, vulture, violin, vegetables, vest, vacuum cleaner. U says umbrella, urn, up. W says watch, wheel, window, watermelon, well, wall and water. X says Xmas tree and X-ray. Y says yak, yoga, yum, yacht, yellow, yolk, yo-yo. Z says zebra, zero, jeep, zigzag, zoo, zebra crossing. Thank you. Have a nice day.